Previously on the story of David and Goliath, the Rise of Goliath.
Each morning, for 40 days, the sun rose over the valley, and with it came thunder. Heavy footsteps shook the earth as the Philistine champion emerged. Bronze helmet flashing, armor scales glinting like dragon skin, a spear so massive its shadow alone frightened men. Even his shield-bearer looked like a child before him.
He roared across the valley. "Choose a man, let him fight me. If he wins, we serve you. But if I win, you will serve us."
Send me a man, that we may fight together.
Dun, dun, dun!
Who among you dares to face me? Come, let us fight!
And fear spread like wildfire. Even King Saul froze.
Israel listened, and Israel feared. Even their king, Saul, once tall and mighty, hid in silence. The courage of Israel had dried up like rivers in summer. Until a shepherd boy walked onto the stage of history to redefine all odds. Chapter 2. Jesse and his sons. A family where a shepherd boy's destiny quietly begins. As tensions stirred across the land of Israel, King Saul dispatched messengers throughout the land to summon men to the battlefield. Some rode swiftly across the dusty desert on horseback. Others trudged along winding mountain trails. A few crossed river valleys, their sandals kicking up white mist over pebbled paths, while some navigated narrow village streets, calling out to every household. At last, one soldier arrived in Bethlehem. There lived an elderly man, Jesse of Bethlehem, a father of 8 sons, including David, who was the youngest.
8 sons? Bro, that's a whole basketball team. With substitutes. Forget family dinner, that's a family tournament.
People of Israel, war is upon us. King Saul calls every able man to battle. Who among you will rise against the Philistines?
And so Jesse's eldest 3 sons, Eliab, Abinadab, and Shammah, marched away to join Saul's army. But the youngest remained, David. Ruddy in complexion, bright-eyed with wonder, his hands rough and scarred, not from the sword, but from the staff. A shepherd boy among the hills.
In the valley where the waters flow, I walk with him through the gentle glow. He leads me beside the still and quiet stream, in the meadow green, where the air feels like a dream. Oh, I will sing to the one who is near. My heart is full, for he's always here. With every note, with every chord I'll raise, in the valley of his grace, I'll sing his praise.
See, this is the crazy part. While his brothers carried spears, David carried a sling. While they faced men, David faced beasts. Training ground, totally different level.
While his brothers swung swords, David swung his sling. While they stood in Saul's ranks, David stood before lions and bears. And though unseen by men, the Lord was training his hands for war.
Wait. Are you telling me teenage David was out here wrestling lions? Like, no gym spotter, no gloves, just vibes? At like 15?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let's check receipts. 1 Samuel 17:34 through 36. When a lion or bear came and carried off a sheep from the flock, I went after it, struck it, and rescued the sheep. When it turned on me, I seized it by its hair, struck it, and killed it.
Yep, that's David's resume. Forget gym memberships or karate lessons. God's boot camp was lions and bears. You survive that, you're certified.
Bro, David's workout plan was literally bench press a bear, wrestle a lion. And I thought my trainer was tough.
And so, destiny waited. For even a boy left at home, tending sheep, carrying bread, running errands can one day stand before giants. Chapter 3: Why David Showed Up. A delivery that changed history. David ended up at the battlefield, not with sword, but with supplies. For Jesse sent him with bread, cheese, and roasted grain, a delivery of food to his brothers, yet also a delivery of purpose.
Ding dong! DoorDash delivery. 3 loaves, 10 cheeses, and a side of destiny.
Kate, stop!
But heaven often hides greatness in the ordinary, and this errand would bring David face to face with his calling.
What are you doing here? You should be tending the sheep. Go home, little brother. This is no place for you.
Continue watching Chapter 3, Why David Showed Up, right here.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.